थैंक यू। चलो हम आगे बढ़ते हैं। So Wood's dispatch, a commission called by the Britishers in 1854. Sir Charles Woods headed, Sir Charles Woods headed the Woods Commission. Sorry, Woods dispatch. Dispatch, D-E-S-P-A-T-C-H. Woods dispatch. Page number, yes, Janvi? 84. Page number 84. So Woods dispatch call in India to analyze the Indian education system. So afterwards, it given their recommendations. What were the recommendations of? Question is, what were the recommendations, the suggestions given by the Woods dispatch in relation to the Indian education system? In relation to Indian education system. First, to set up universities in presidencies. What were the recommendations or suggestions given by the Woods dispatch in relation to Indian education system? Indian education system, Priyansh. First, to set up universities at presidencies of Bombay, Calcutta, Madras. Chennai nahi, Madras. Universities at Bombay, Madras and Calcutta. Second point, Madras, Calcutta. Full stop, Priyansh. Second point, Priyansh. Very good. To introduce English. Introduce English in school curriculum. C-U Priyansh, R-I-C-U-L-U-M Priyansh. Curriculum. Third, to set up educational departments, education department in districts which will supervise functioning of educational institutes. आज भी ऐसा है, educational functions of educational institutes. आज भी यही है, DEO इसको कहा जाता है, डिस्ट्रिक्ट एजुकेशन ऑफिसर. जलंधर का कहां पर है? वेरी गुड, आदर्श नगर में. DEO of Jalandhar has sitting in a Adarsh Nagar. ये लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Fourth recommendation सुपरवाइज के लिए कि क्या एजुकेशन का स्टैंडर्ड है, क्या इंप्रूवमेंट्स होनी चाहिए, वो DEO की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. डिस्ट्रिक्ट एजुकेशन ऑफिसर. नेक्स्ट Fourth, to promote English with one regional language. To promote English with one's regional language. आज भी वही है, इंग्लिश के साथ एक रीजनल लैंग्वेज. पंजाब में पंजाबी पढ़ाई जा रही है, ठीक है ना, कंपल्शन है टिल 10th लेवल. हिंदी इज ऑप्शनल टिल दिस इज एज अ कंपल्शन टिल 8th स्टैंडर्ड, आफ्टरवर्ड्स एज ऑप्शनल. अगर आप उत्तर प्रदेश में होते तो आपको हिंदी कंपल्शन होती 10th लेवल. Why? Because if the rhythm wish to work in a Punjab, it is mandatory he has to clear the 10th level of the Punjabi examination. ठीक है ना, अगर गवर्नमेंट जॉब पे लगते हो पंजाब में कहीं, आपके पास 10th लेवल पंजाबी का एग्जाम होना चाहिए, क्योंकि योर डीलिंग इट विल बी एज अ पीपल ऑफ अ पंजाब, सेम एज विद द उत्तर प्रदेश, विद भोजपुरी इन अ बिहार, बांग्ला इन अ वेस्ट बंगाल, असमीज. 22 languages are marked in a Constitution of India relation to the registration. 22 are registered. That's why there is not any of a languages are national language. Hindi is our official language. चलो, जैसे पंजाब में अगर ऑफिशियल ऑर्डर निकलता है उससे वो पंजाबी में आएगा, हिंदी में नहीं आएगा, इंग्लिश में नहीं आएगा. ठीक है ना, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का जो है. रिदम के उत्तर प्रदेश में अगर आएगा तो हिंदी में आएगा. क्लियर? चलें आगे. ठीक है. Okay, next, it recommended, next point, it recommended new education system which included new education system which included किंडरगार्टन, केजी विंग जिसको कहा जाता है, किंडरगार्टन, TEN, T फॉर टाक, क्लियर, तनिष टाक, तुषार टाक, किंडरगार्टन, कॉमा, एलिमेंट्री एजुकेशन, किंडरगार्टन, प्री प्राइमरी क्लासेस, then elementary education, 1st to 5th standard of education, elementary education, then middle level of education, 6 to 8, middle level, 9th 10th secondary level, 9th 10th secondary level, +1 +2 senior secondary level, degree, wait, सीनियर सेकेंडरी +1 +2, उसके बाद कॉलेज एजुकेशन, देन यूनिवर्सिटी एजुकेशन. हाँ जी, सीनियर सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन +1 +2, कॉलेज एजुकेशन, देन यूनिवर्सिटी एजुकेशन. इट वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द वुड्स डिस्पैच इन इंडिया. वुड्स डिस्पैच इन जो करंट लेवल है, करंट एजुकेशन, प्रेजेंट. चलो आगे चलते हैं. क्या था लास्ट? नेक्स्ट recommendations, universalization of education. Woods dispatch recommended the universalization of education. Universalization means earlier educational rights were procured by the males. Now the women can also gain the education. Question it was as a what were the recommendations of Woods dispatch in relation to the Indian education system. Next point as a universalization of education means education for all. All. Universal means सबके लिए जो है, ठीक है, यूनिफॉर्म है सबके लिए, इक्वल है. What are the conditions responsible for the conditions related to the pre-colonial period? First, religious knowledge impart among masses, individuals, आप लोग, boys girls नहीं, masses, individuals. Second, MASSES, full stop Niger. Second, schools taught such matters, TAU Priyansh, GHT, taught such issues, matters such matters which were related to TO2 related to local needs, related to local needs, लोकल जो लोकल मैटर्स होते थे उनको पढ़ाया जाता था, नॉट रिलेटेड विद द इंडिया. Rhythm living in a Bihar, somewhere outskirts in a Bihar. So the matter, whatever the matter will be taught by the schools, it will be as a related with their community, their society, not related with the India. हाँ जी, न्यूज बताई जाती है पर वो पढ़ाई जाती थी बच्चों को, वही उतना ही बताया जाता है जिससे वो अपने कंसर्न रहे लोकेलिटी से. प्रेजेंटली यू आर लर्निंग अबाउट अ कंप्लीट इंडिया. व्हेन वी टॉकिंग अबाउट द, आपने मिनरल्स पढ़े, मिनरल्स फाउंड प्रेजेंट इन अ कंप्लीट ऑफ इंडिया इन रिलेशन टू द वर्ल्ड. एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया नहीं रहा. ओके, फुल स्टॉप, फुल स्टॉप, फुल स्टॉप. हाँ जी, प्रॉपर फीस नहीं होती थी, फीस नहीं होती थी, बिल्डिंग नहीं होती थी, अटेंडेंस मार्क नहीं होती थी, ठीक है ना, करिकुलम नहीं था, सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट नहीं था, स्कूल ही नहीं थे, बिल्डिंग ही नहीं थी, नो पॉसिबिलिटीज. हाँ, yes, one more thing. In such schools, they basically impart as a bilingual method. Bilingual means English translated towards the regional languages. इंग्लिश को लोकल रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस में ट्रांसलेट करके समझाया जाता था. प्रेजेंटली एज अ मीडियम ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन इज इंग्लिश. अ चाइल्ड हैज लर्न, इट हैज ग्रास्प्ड एज यूजुअल फ्रॉम द इंग्लिश, बट अर्लियर दे ट्रांसलेटेड टू द बाइलिंगुअल मेथड. इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेटेड टुवर्ड्स द लोकल लैंग्वेजेस. ईशान, because most of the Indians, they were unaware about this foreign language. Even their parents, they were not as a learn that language at their childhood. So most of the children, they grasp the things as the in relation to the regional languages. Clear? Sorry, ये colonization से पहले है. Even during the colonization, the pattern it was as usual similar, but simultaneously the changes starts. They begins during as a colonial period. हाँ जी, rote method, cramming method, not as an understanding based. Knowledge was imparted among the masses, but most of the knowledge as the rote method, cramming करवाई जाती थी. ठीक है ना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जो मदरसास की बात की या पाठशाला में जो रेसिटेशन बताई जाती थी, इट वाज एज अ दे जस्ट टॉट दैट हाउ टू रिसाइट द कुरान और अ वेदास. रिसाइट, नॉट एज देयर ट्रांसलेशंस. एपिक्स में क्या है, एथिक, हाँ, अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं होती. दिस वाज एज अ ड्रॉबैक. Such drawbacks were the decrease under the passage of a time when the education started to improve during the colonial and afterwards the colonial period. गुरुकुल सिस्टम में तो रिदम जी घर छोड़ के अपने सेजिस ऋषि के पास जाएंगे, वहीं रहेंगे. They learn about the skills of a life, how to live as a healthy life. Their description has given under the Manusmriti. कहीं नाम आया था. Harold, it translated the Manusmriti into the English. ठीक है ना. Manusmriti means it was the first sage of India, sage rishi, जिन्होंने कुछ principles set किए थे. This is a bilingual method. You can't understand what it means, a sage. ठीक है ना. Rishi, bilingual method है. समझ गए? Next, yes, Manusmriti. Manu has explained about what are the ideal principles related with the healthy life. Healthy life. One of the feature is there. Pay attention. Pay attention. In Manusmriti, marked about the 4 parts of the life. Brahmacharya, 0 to 25 years. You have to attain the education. Attain education, nothing else. 0 to 25 as the Brahmacharya. Second is the Grihast, marriage. 25 to 30 as a marriage. Clear? उसके बाद वानप्रस्थ, उसमें क्या होगा, the individual, it will be as a occupy or acquire the resources for their family, for their kids. Clear? 75 afterwards the 75 as the sannyas. It will be go for the path of a salvation, mukti के रास्ते में salvation. This is the bilingual method. ठीक है? Very good. So next one. So William Adam, which was as a Scottish missionary, he visited the West Bengal and Bihar around the 1830s. 1830s. William Adam, a Scottish missionary, Christian missionary. Christian missionaries, why do they came to India to expand the Christianity over India? For which they've given as an incentives Gunta, sit properly. Very good. So the Christian missionaries came to India to expand as a Christianity among the masses, through which as a those Hindu, Muslim and the Sikh, they have to change their religion and accept the Christianity. For which they given as an incentive to those which accepted it, in the form of a land and property.